Everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we have completed our 30-day Power BI series, we have gradually moved on to the Power BI service. So Power BI service is not now only Power BI service, it comprises of different kinds of tools that we have, that is all-in-one analytics solution that we have nowadays is called Fabric. So this series is all about the Fabric and what it is, and we are going to cover all of the topics, that is data lakes, Power BI, and data engineering, data science in this series. So let's get started. So what exactly is Microsoft Fabric? Think of it as a comprehensive platform designed to bring together all of the tools that you need to building, deploying, and managing modern applications. But it doesn't stop there. It also simplifies how you handle the data, from real-time analytics to big data processing. Fabric integrates with a wide range of Microsoft and third-party services. So what we traditionally do is building an application means juggling multiple services. One from your backend, another from your database, and yet another from for analytics. So Microsoft Fabric has changed that. With the help of Fabric, we have got a unified platform in which we can store our data in the one place. So let me give you an example about it. I have a data set from my warehouse. That will be my warehouse. And I have data set in my Excel. This Excel. I have to create a report on the Power BI. Let's say it is Power BI. So to add this data set in my Power BI, I have to get the data from this warehouse as well as from this Excel. Warehouse require a particular data set format in which I have to convert my raw data into the warehouse format, whereas I have to convert my raw data into the Excel format. The first copy of my data is in the raw format. The second copy of my data is in the warehouse. The third copy of my data is in Excel. So we have three multiple copies of the same data set. And creating this three multiple copies required very much fuzz. Okay, and after all of these processing, we get the data in Microsoft Fabric, sorry, in Power BI. So Microsoft has taken this concern, and what Microsoft has done is the unified copy of our data. Microsoft has a thing called OneLake, in which all of the files are saved in Delta Packet format. Delta Packet format is a format that is standard format for the Microsoft, which does not require any change. It is always acceptable by everyone or every tools. So this one lake will have the unified copy of my data, which can be accessed by data engineer for the analysis, for building the pipeline, data scientist for analyzing these data, and data analyst to visualize this data set. So that what Microsoft has done. So this is why we have to switch on to the Microsoft Fabric that provides a unified platform for all of this. Okay, so now let's move on to the basic, what is the definition of Microsoft has given to Fabric. So Microsoft Fabric is a powerful tool, as I have stated earlier, and it combines the data engineering, analytics, and it provides an all-in-one solution for enterprises. It includes data movement, real-time analytics, and business intelligence. With Microsoft Fabric, we can access services like data lake, data engineering, and data integration in a single place that I have called OneLake. It is built on the top of three main tools. First is Microsoft Power BI. Power BI, as we all know, is a data visualization, powerful data visualization tool that is created by Microsoft. Azure Data Factory is used for building the pipeline for the storage, for the data analytics, etc. It is a very powerful tool within itself. Azure Synapse is used for real-time data movement and real-time analytics and data lake. It is mainly used by the data engineers. And after integrating all of these three things, we have Microsoft Fabric. So what Microsoft Fabric has done is that we don't have to get the different kinds of tools from the different vendors. So that is something that can be called as cost effective. Okay. And you can enjoy the highly integrated end-to-end and easy to use product because it contains all of the things that we all want, the data person wants. Like it has notebooks, lake, data lake, synapse engineering, real-time analytics, data activators as well, with the powerful backed up tool called OpenAI Copilot. So it has everything, and it is built on the foundation of software as a service, which takes simplicity and integration to a whole new level. And it is an all-in-one solution by Microsoft. So that's it for today's video. In the next video, we are going to learn about the architecture of Fabric and what are its main components. Thanks everyone.